Getting value from your infrastructure. G'day, Damien here from IT Next Generation. IT can be expensive. If IT is being viewed only as a cost to your business, you need to look at how to use your IT systems and infrastructure to add value to your business, how to make you more efficient, and how to save you on other operational costs. It's really important to also get the best value out of your IT equipment spend. Getting the best value rarely means buying on price alone. You should consider the following when making purchasing decisions. Price versus performance. The latest and fastest tech costs the most. Buying equipment in the mid-range will usually give you good performance over the life of the equipment and at a much lower price point than the buying the very fastest. Get the right level of warranty. Understand the life cycle of your equipment. How long will you run that piece of infrastructure for? Too short costs you money, and too long will cost you in downtime and slower performance. We recommend you warrant servers and networking equipment for 5 years and desktops and laptops for 3 years. Plan for growth. Track how much storage, bandwidth and computing power your business consumes and compare it to business activity. Forecast your future requirements, plan your upgrades accordingly, and ensure that you budget for these costs in advance. Get rid of problem equipment. If a piece of existing infrastructure is costing you in maintenance and downtime, consider replacing it now, even if it was not yet planned for replacement. Unplanned downtime can add direct and indirect costs to your business. Plan your network. Sounds obvious? Of course it is. Make sure you plan your IT infrastructure in conjunction with the business. Your IT systems are there to support the business, and then get budget approval for your plan in advance. Work with your IT advisor to plan out your IT infrastructure roadmap and make sure it meets your business needs and provides value for money. For more information, visit our website at itng.com.au.